Right now, inside your body, something far more important than muscle recovery is quietly beginning. Most people believe that walking only strengthens your legs or burns a few calories. But after about 40 minutes of steady walking, your body starts shifting its attention to something much bigger. It begins repairing systems that keep you healthy every single day, even the ones you can't see. And the surprising part is that this repair has very little to do with sore muscles. Because what happens next changes the way your entire body prepares for tomorrow. Think of your body like a busy city. Your muscles are only one neighborhood, but your heart, blood vessels, brain, liver, and immune system are all connected by thousands of invisible highways. Every step you take sends messages across those highways. Walking isn't just movement, it's information. It's your body's way of saying, the environment is safe. Keep investing in repair instead of survival. But here's the part most people miss. During the first several minutes of your walk, your body is simply adjusting. Your heart pumps faster, your breathing becomes deeper, and blood begins flowing into muscles that may have been sitting still for hours. Tiny blood vessels open wider, like roads clearing after traffic. Oxygen and nutrients arrive more efficiently, carrying everything your cells need to work better. Now watch this. As the walk continues, your body realizes this isn't just a few random steps. It starts activating larger systems. Muscles pull more glucose from your bloodstream, helping stabilize blood sugar without demanding as much insulin. Stress hormones begin settling, while natural chemicals that improve mood quietly rise. This is where most people stop, but this is where it starts. After around 40 minutes, something remarkable happens. Your body shifts from simply powering movement to investing in maintenance. Imagine a factory that finally finishes today's production and sends workers out to repair machines before tomorrow's shift. That's what your cells begin doing. Blood vessels receive signals that help them stay flexible. The lining inside your arteries starts responding in healthier ways. Inflammatory signals that build up from daily stress begin to calm. Even tiny energy factories inside your cells, called mitochondria, receive signals encouraging them to become stronger and more efficient over time. This is where it gets interesting. Your immune system also pays attention. Moderate walking encourages immune cells to circulate through your body more effectively, almost like security teams making regular patrols. Instead of remaining in one place, they move through tissues, checking for problems and supporting normal repair. You can't feel it happening, but your body is quietly preparing itself to recover better long after your walk ends. And this changes everything. The repair doesn't stop when you sit down. For hours afterward, your body continues responding to the signal you created. Cells become slightly better at producing energy. Blood flow remains more efficient. Your metabolism remembers the experience and slowly adapts, making future walks feel easier while becoming more effective. Most people misunderstand this process because they judge exercise only by sweat, soreness, or calories burned. But your body thinks differently. It isn't trying to impress you with dramatic changes in a single day. It's collecting evidence. Every consistent walk tells your internal systems that movement is becoming part of your normal life. So instead of reacting, they begin adapting. Research has consistently shown that regular brisk walking supports cardiovascular health, improves insulin sensitivity, reduces chronic inflammation, and helps maintain healthy mitochondrial function. These changes don't happen because of one perfect workout. They happen because your body keeps responding to the same healthy signal over and over again. Now imagine the opposite. When movement rarely happens, those repair signals become weaker. Blood vessels lose some flexibility. Energy production becomes less efficient. Your body spends more time maintaining the status quo instead of upgrading its systems. It isn't punishing you, it's simply responding to the signals it receives. You're not fighting your body, you're teaching it. Every 40-minute walk tells your cells that they're needed, your heart that it can become stronger, and your metabolism that efficiency matters. Over weeks and months, your body rewires itself around that message, becoming better at repairing, recovering, and producing energy with less effort. Your body isn't broken, it's responding. Walking isn't just exercise. It's a biological signal that tells every major system inside you to prepare for a healthier future, one step at a time. So here's a question for you. What surprised you most about what your body starts repairing after 40 minutes of walking? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed discovering what's happening inside your body, stay with us for the next journey.